A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So children, open your English textbook, page number 37. So children, today I am going to start a new chapter number 4, that is Mowgli joins the wolf pack. The title of this chapter is Mowgli joins the wolf pack, written by Rudyard Kipling. Yes children, so I know that you all are very excited to learn this lesson. Yes, you all are very excited to know about Mowgli. Yes children, so before moving to the chapter, let's do warm up activity. Okay, so look at in this warm up box. A law is a system of rules that everyone in a society or country must obey. Write down any 3 rules that you obey at home, in school and in playground. Are there any common ones? So children, what you have to do? You have to write 3 rules. Okay, you have to write down any 3 rules that you obey at home, in school and in playground. So children, every society have its own rules and regulations. Yes children, so a law is a system of rules that everyone in society or country must obey. Yes children, so you have to write down any 3 rules that you obey at your home, in school or in playground. Okay, so children, see here. So children, like, see, we must close the door behind us. Yes, the rules which we have follow at home, that mom tell that we must close the door behind us, and at school we must ask for permission before leaving or entering the class. Yes, then in the playground we must not indulge in foul play. Yes children, so write down 3 jungle laws. So now we have no 3 laws of home, school or jungle, but playground. So children, here we have to write down 3 jungle laws. So children, tell me first, before moving to this activity, I will ask you some questions. Okay, so children, tell me, do you like animals? Yes, which animal do you like the most children? Domestic animals or wild animals? Yes, tell me. So children, what do animals hunt for food? Do you know? So which other kinds of animals can be found in the jungle apart from those in the Jungle Book? So maybe you have seen Jungle Book. Yes, it is a movie. Yes children. तो बच्चों, आज हम क्या करेंगे? एक न्यू चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे जिसका नेम है मोगली जॉइन्स द वॉल्फ पैक. यस चिल्ड्रन, सो हम जानते हैं सभी मोगली के बारे में हम जानते हैं. तो बच्चों, आपने देखा होगा टीवी में. यस, मोगली जंगल बुक एक फिल्म है और कार्टून भी है. यस चिल्ड्रन, तो आपने देखा होगा जंगल बुक, जहाँ पे मोगली क्या करता है, वॉल्फ के साथ जंगल में रहता है. यस, तो बच्चों, वॉल्फ जब मोगली जब छोटा होता है तब क्या करते हैं, वॉल्फ ही उसको क्या करते हैं, अपने साथ रखते हैं, अपने साथ ही उसको क्या करते हैं, बड़ा करते हैं. तो आपने देखा होगा कि वहाँ पे जंगल पे शेर खान है. यस, बगीरा, भालू, तो ये सब उसके फ्रेंड्स हैं. और शेर खान क्या करता है, मोगली को मारने की कोशिश करता रहता है. यस, ये आपको कहानी तो स्टोरी आपको पता होगी. Yes children, so what do animals hunt for food, and have you come across any friend but wild animal, any friendly but wild animals? Yes children, so which animals are dangerous for humans? Do you know, like maybe snakes? Yes, there are so many animals are there which is dangerous for humans, isn't it? So children, this is a story about a Mowgli. Yes, this extract is taken from Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book. Yes children, so which is a collection of stories about wild animals. So children, this story is taken from Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book, which is a collection of stories about wild animals and their interaction with human beings. Among them, few of the stories are about Mowgli, a little boy who was brought up by a family of wolves. So children, as we all know that Mowgli was brought up by a family of wolves. Yes, as we have seen in cartoon, in movie. Yes, so do you have seen a movie Jungle Book? Yes, it is a very beautiful movie, children. Yes, so this story is all about a Mowgli. Yes, how he joins the wolf pack, how he brought up by a family of wolves. Yes, so children, we will learn these all in this lesson. So before moving to the lesson, I will show you some pictures. So children, see here. Yes, Mowgli is brought up by this pack of wolves. Yes children, so here you can see. Yes children, you can see in this picture. Yes, so see how beautiful it is, isn't it children? So the wolves love Mowgli very much, and Mowgli also loves wolf very much. Here you can see, children, see. Yes, so children, Mowgli joins the wolf. Yes children, so this story is a very beautiful story. Yes, which we are going to learn in this lesson. So children, look at this. Yes, how they are. Yes, so children, do you have seen Jungle Book? Yes, tell me. So children, here the story is about Mowgli and about wolves. Okay, now see this. Yes, the Jungle Book. Yes children, so now open your English textbook, page number 37. Yes, so now turn the page. I will read the para. Just put your finger on the line where I am reading, and I always says when we reading something new, we came across with many new words. So children, what you have to do, you have to underline those words. Okay, so children, we are very excited to learn this story. Yes children, because it is a very beautiful story. Yes, so let's read this story. Okay, listen to me carefully. It was a very warm evening in the Sion Hills. Yes, it was very warm evening in the Sion Hills. Father Wolf woke up from his day's rest. Mother Wolf lay with her cubes. It is time to hunt again, said Father Wolf. He was going to spring downhill when Tabaki the jackal came and said, Sher Khan has shifted his hunting grounds. He has told me that he will hunt among these hills for the next moon. So Sher Khan was the tiger who lived near the Vengunga river, 20 miles away. So he has no right, Father Wolf began angrily. By the law of the jungle, he has no right to change his quarters without due warning. So children, see here. It was a very warm evening in the Sioni Hill. Father Wolf woke up from his day's rest. So Father Wolf means children? Yes, Father Wolf, Mother Wolf. Yes children. So Father Wolf woke up from his day's rest, and Mother Wolf lay with her cubs. So cubs means what children? The young ones of a wolf, tiger or lion. Okay. So children, the cubs means cubs or cubes. Okay, the cubs, the young ones of a wolf, tiger or lion. So children, the father wolf and the mother wolf lay with her cubs, and it is time to hunt again. Yes, hunt means shikar karna. So said the father wolf, and he was going to spring downhill when Tabaki, the jackal, came and said, Sher Khan has shifted his hunting grounds. He has told me that he was hunt among these hills for the next moon. तो बच्चों, अभी देखो ये स्टोरी हम किसके बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? जंगल बुक के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. तो पहले हम पढ़ने से पहले हम इसके कैरेक्टर्स देखेंगे कि जंगल बुक में कौन कौन होता है. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले बच्चों Yes, Mowgli. Then the wolf, mother wolf, father wolf. Okay, and then yes, Tabaki, a jackal, and then Sher Khan. Sher Khan is a tiger. Then Bhalu, Bagheera, yes, and Mowgli. And there are many more characters are there. Okay, so children, now let's see. तो बच्चों, आपको पता है तो फिर क्या होता है, एक वार्म इवनिंग होती है. कहाँ पे? सियोनी हिल पे. तो फादर वॉल्फ उठते हैं और क्या बोलते हैं मदर वॉल्फ को, अभी हमें शिकार पे जाना है. यस, तो ही वॉज गोइंग टू स्प्रिंग डाउन हिल व्हेन तबाकी द जैकल केम एंड सेड. तो जब वो शिकार करने के लिए यस कहाँ पे जा रहे होते हैं, यस ही वॉज गोइंग टू स्प्रिंग डाउन हिल व्हेन तबाकी द जैकल केम एंड सेड. तो तबाकी क्या बोलता है, शेर खान हैज़ शिफ्टेड. हु इज शेर खान? शेर खान इज़ ए टाइगर. ओके, सो शेर खान ने क्या किया है, अपना जो हंट, अपना जो घर है अपना चेंज किया है. यस, ही टोल्ड मी दैट ही विल हंट अमॉन्ग दिस हिल्स फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट वन. अगले जो वक्त है तब तक क्या करूँगा मैं, जहाँ पे ये वोल्व्स रहते हैं मैं वहाँ उस एरिया में क्या करूँगा, शिकार करूँगा. ठीक है, तो फिर शेर खान वॉज द टाइगर हु लिव नियर द Wingunga river, so 20 miles away. So he has no right. Father wolf began angrily. So now father wolf, he become very angry. Why? And he said, by the law of the jungle, he has no right to change his quarters without due warning. So like we say, children, that every society has their own laws. So here there are some laws in jungle also. So these laws are called jungle law. Okay, children. So children, the next, so we have learned that it was a very warm evening in the Seeonee Hill, and father wolf woke up from his day's rest and mother wolf lay with her cubs, and it is time to hunt again. So the father said it is time to hunt, but he was very angry when Tabaki said that Sher Khan has shifted his hunting ground, and he has told him that he will hunt among these hills for the next month. So Sher Khan was the tiger who lived near the Wingunga river. So children, he has no right. Father wolf began angrily. By the law of the jungle, he has no right to change his quarter without due warning. अगर कोई वार्निंग पहले देना चाहिए, तभी हम जंगल के लॉ के हिसाब से अपना ठिकाना चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो जो फादर वॉल्फ है उनको बहुत गुस्सा आता है कि ऐसे कैसे टाइगर ऐसे कैसे शेर खान हमारे इलाके में आके हमारे इलाके से क्या करेगा, शिकार करेगा. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता अकॉर्डिंग टू जंगल लॉ. चिल्ड्रन, सो द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी वी विल सी इन अवर नेक्स्ट क्लास. टिल देन, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. थैंक यू.